Karen Jeckley Live.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my Rayban chromance sunglasses. So guys, for your reference, the model number of these glasses is RB4275CH. And while I'm opening the box, I would like to tell you, like, I paid 43 Omani Reals for it, which is equivalent to 112 US dollars. So guys, here is the glasses in the cover. So what else is in the box? So you have a cleaning cloth with Rayban marking and a care manual. Okay, so then now let us open the glasses and let us see how they feel. Okay, so guys, this is Rayban chromance RB4275CH. Okay, so guys, this chromance series is a new series in the Rayban lenses. Okay, so these are polarized lenses and they offer a very high contrast and very good visual clarity, and they reduce glare like anything. Okay, so these lenses, they come with this nylon frame. Okay, and they are rimless, and they can be used in both low light as well as bright light conditions. So guys, this is Rayban chromance. Okay, so we got it in an offer, so I paid 50% of it, so which comes up to 112 USD. Okay, so they are made in Italy, and that's pretty much in these. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos of watches, sunglasses, and a lot of other things. So guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.